Hey guys, I have a haul today. Today's Monday. I am not feeling it today. I wish I could just go to bed, but I can't because I got little people that rely on me. The first thing that I found was this Sherpa hoodie. It's from Fiji's. I looked it up and they sell like really cozy things. Like, look at this. This is amazing. The hands are friggin' mittens. You can fold it over so, you know, your hand actually sticks out. So it's new with tags. It's a size large. This is so friggin' soft. Found this Champion hoodie. I said in a previous video that I'm going to be more picky with Champion. This is a big size though. This is a men's 3XL. So I wanted to pick this up. Looks like this. It's the reverse weave. So it's the nice thick hoodie. More Champion. Again, I'm gonna be picky, but this was a pretty color. This is a reverse weave hoodie, size small. I thought this color was really pretty. I'm trying to get more men's stuff. That's one of my goals for this year, is to kind of build up like a men's section of my closet. This is North Face extra large. It's just a crew neck. It does have some like cracking and fading on the logo, but you know, it's still pretty nice. I found this vintage shirt and I've had a lot of action on this. This shirt was only $1.99. I'm like, I'm gonna get it. It's on a Fruit of the Loom tag. It's a size large. It's St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands shirt. And like I said, I've had a lot of action on this. A bunch of likes. I've had a bunch of offers too, like lowball offers. People are like $10, $15. I think I have it for $35, I think. But it just looks like this embroidered little sailboat scenery thing right there. Single stitch. This is by The Mountain. I've sold a couple of pieces from this brand before. This is a size small, but it definitely fits like a medium. Look at this cat. Oh, it's a pretty kitty. This, and then the back looks like that. I recently sold, did I sell another cat one? I know I've sold like a wolf graphic and a couple of other ones too. But yeah, this is a good company. They're known for like graphics like this, like animal, wildlife. Bershka t-shirt. It says home is where music sounds loud. I've sold a pair of Bershka jeans before. I have another pair listed. I actually have them in a recent haul. I don't think that video is up. This video will probably be up for a little while. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to sell a t-shirt. Found this pink Victoria's Secret Sherpa jacket. It's olive green. It's large. So cozy. I was excited to find this. Guys, when I go to the thrift store, like on the way there, I try to manifest brands in the car. Like I do like a little thing and my husband's like, but it works every time. Like every time. I don't find every brand that I try to manifest, but I do find like half the brands. It's crazy. I was excited to find this Lulu sweater. This is called the I don't remember, but I've had a lot of action on it. I had 3 different offers the night that I listed this, but they were all lower than what I wanted to sell. This is a good find. It's like a ribbed, what the hell is this called? All right, now I gotta look it up because it's really bugging me. This is the Embrace ribbed sweater. It's a size 6. And again, I've had a lot of action on this. North Face men's wool quarter zip. Adidas pants, I really like. They're men's, size large. Track pants. I like the color combo. I was really excited to find these American Eagle jeans. You guys know I love selling American Eagle jeans. I look more now for the bigger sizes because they just sell very quickly. I have a haul video that hasn't gone up yet, but I had 2 pairs of American Eagle jeans that were size 16, 1 pair that was a size 14, a couple of 12s, and they all sold within days. These will probably sell very quickly too. This is the biggest size that I found in American Eagle. It's a size 22. These are the super high-rise jegging jeans. They look like this. They're just distressed. Guys, don't sleep on American Eagle jeans. Don't do it. Don't sleep. Wake up. Or actually sleep so I can... Actually, yes. I take that back. Sleep on them so I can scoop them up. This jacket is so sick. The brand is Skyer, S-K-Y-R. It's vintage. It's a size medium. Look at this beautiful jacket. Oh my gosh. I love it. It's the tag. And then it also says it right there. But this is just a really nice jacket. It has like little flaps on the, what is this? A sleeve. It's got buttons and it zips. I just love this. It is so beautiful and it's in excellent condition too. Like there's literally nothing wrong with it. Like the inside lining is all amazing. Yeah, I don't know. Should I try this on? I haven't tried it on. I really like this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now that I tried it on, ooh, it's so sick. If I get the right price, I'll sell it. I don't know. I really like it. I might keep it. Oh, decisions. This is the struggle of a reseller. Found this Gymshark shirt. This is the Restore tee. It's a men's size medium. The Gymshark logo right there. I found this hoodie. The tag says India Boutique, so it's just like a, oh, I could look up the RN number. Oh, this is a size large. I said medium. All right, I gotta change that. So it's a size large. 100% cotton, made in Nepal. That's what the tag looks like. I don't know. I just thought this was really cool looking. I don't know. I just really like this. Again, I don't know the brand. I do pick up things based on style. I don't always worry about the brand. And I suggest not always worrying about the brand. Pick up based on style as well. All right, I found this Coach t-shirt. This is a size men's small, so women's medium. Just their like traditional logo with the C's. I found some Rag & Bone jeans. I forgot the style of these. Yeah, I forgot. But they're size 25. Like that. They're like super wrinkled because they came out of the wash and they've been sitting in a bag. Got some vintage Levi's. My husband found these. They are $5.50. The tag says June 2001. So that's vintage. So yeah, they're $5.50. They are 34 waist, 32 length. I am selling these as men's jeans. If the waist is a little bit smaller, I might try to sell them as shorts, or I might just keep them in my closet as men's jeans until spring, and then if they don't have any action or sell, then I'll cut them into shorts. I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I found these overalls. These, why am I yelling? Overall. These are cut from the cloth Emma overalls in a size 8. They look like this. Just distressed. All right, more Levi's. These are the type 1 tough bootcut jeans. They're a size 8, but I just thought they were interesting. I'd never seen this kind before. Like, look at the legs. Actually, I might have to show you a picture. Yeah, because the seam, oh, you can kind of see the seam on the legs. It's just it's a weird, but weird in a cool way. Like it looks, I don't know. I like that. An Adidas sweatshirt. This is just cropped, 3-stripe center logo. This Disney 2015 hoodie. Disney sells really well for me on Mercari. Hoodie, zip hoodie, sweatshirt thing. Walt Disney World. Little blingy zipper pull right there. I can't talk them. I gotta race the time. That's what the back looks like. It does have a spot, I'm dropping shit, on the arm. It has like a purple stain right here, but I feel like that could easily come out. All right, so that is it for my haul. If there's anything that you see that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet. By the time this video is up, everything's actually listed in my closet right now, I think. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.